All right, my 1991 Honda Accord. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting a electric fan because my old electric fan was outdated. So I put a new radiator a little while ago. Now I'm putting the new fan. Got this at O'Reilly's for 70 bucks. I probably overpaid for it because I needed it right there and then, but you can get it a lot cheaper on Amazon. Here it is. Gotta take off the grill. You have these long zip tie type of mechanism things that you put through the radiator fins. You see I have one right here, I have one behind this, and then the other one is right here, right beside my oil cooler radiator. I installed a aftermarket one. You can watch a video on that too. Alright, so I put the secure zip tie things over here. Make sure you put the back. Like to cut it, there it goes, cut. Now my fan is secure. I only have to put 3. Even though it comes with 4, that's fine. Alright, now to tackle the next issue is the connector. The connector that comes with the fan looks a little like this. The one that comes from the car looks a little like this. As you can see, they look nothing like each other. Right? So what I need to do is directly hook them up, cut them and splice them, put them in.